Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a 6-inch portable screw conveyor. It is 144 inches in total length. Has a compressed flighting down at the bottom to help carry material out. And it has 3 covers that mount over the top. And as you'll see, these are contoured type covers, so they contain the material inside close to the screw and get your most carry. It has a steel H-frame with a manual hydraulic cylinder right here, so you can pump it up. It actually goes to up to 10 feet, but that's a very steep incline. Go ahead, Jim. They're always a little loud when there's no material in them. It's not rubbing or touching, you're just hearing the whole machine run. Has an explosion-proof drive, incidentally. We're operating on 220 3-phase voltage. Very handy for almost every plant that's doing powders or bulk solids. We thank you for joining us for this video today, and hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.